In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in OneDrive step by step, so you can use the interface in the language you're most comfortable with. Whether your OneDrive opened in the wrong language or you just want to switch it to something easier for you to read, this is a quick setting you can change in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to OneDrive and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your OneDrive home screen. From here, look to the top right corner of the page and find the gear icon. This gear icon is where most of your OneDrive settings are located. Go ahead and click the gear icon. A menu or settings panel should appear. In that menu, click on Settings. Depending on your account layout, OneDrive may open a side panel or a separate settings window. If you see another gear icon inside the settings panel, click that as well, because sometimes OneDrive places the language option a level deeper. Now look for the language option. Once you find it, click on it to open the available language list. This is where you can change the display language for the OneDrive interface. Scroll through the list and choose the language you want to use. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, especially if you're switching from another language and want to be certain you're picking the right option. After selecting your preferred language, click Save. This is the step that applies the change to your account. In some cases, OneDrive may refresh automatically. If it doesn't, just refresh the page yourself. You can do that by clicking the refresh button in your browser or pressing the refresh shortcut on your keyboard. Once the page reloads, the OneDrive interface should now appear in the language you selected. Menus, labels, and settings should all update to match your choice. If it doesn't change right away, double-check that you saved the setting properly and refresh the page one more time. And that's it. You've now changed the language in OneDrive. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a smoother experience while managing your files online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.